This video will show you how to remove the stock intake on all 2007 through 2018 3.6-liter Jeep Wrangler JKs.
So your first step is obviously going to be to pop your hood, and then what we can do next is take off our engine cover. This is just going to give us a little bit more room to work with. So that will just be held in by a couple of clips. We can pop that off and get that out of the way. So our next step is going to be right on our throttle body. We are going to loosen up this clamp using an 8mm socket. You can also use a flathead screwdriver if you don't have a socket. And just go ahead and loosen that up. I'm also using a small extension just to give myself a little bit of room since this is in kind of a weird spot. All right, so that's backing off, that's loose enough. And then we can move over to the two bolts that bolt the intake onto our radiator support here, onto our fan. So I'm gonna be using a 10mm socket for that. Should be pretty easy to get out. We can pop off our radiator hose up top. After that, we can disconnect our sensor down at the bottom here, and then we'll be able to pop our intake out. So after we've removed our sensor down at the bottom here, we can disconnect this breather hose, and you may have a clamp similar to this. You can use a pair of pliers to do that, but we're just going to put that out of the way. And now we're ready to actually pop off our intake. So the bottom of your air box is going to be connected really the same way that your engine cover is connected. So we just have to pull up on that, pull it out of the clips. After that is off, we can pull the clamp off the throttle body and maneuver the whole thing out.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.